Hey, good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to Friday. Hope you had a great week. We're going to have a great weekend. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about adding value. Hang on, it's going to be a neat little message, but first I want to tell you something that's coming up. The afternoon of May 27th, 28th, and 29th, we are going to arrange or schedule that you can bring your device to the school to drop off. Maybe you have a modem to turn in or a hotspot to turn in. You might have some library books, textbooks. You might have some band instruments to turn in. So that's going to be coming up on the 27th, 28th, and or 29th. More details to follow. When you drop those things off for us, you're going to pick up from us. We're going to hand you a bag that will have your locker contents in it, your PE locker contents. Maybe you have some art projects or some things have been stored in a teacher's classroom, and then any purchased yearbooks. You're going to drop your stuff off, give it to us. We're going to hand to you the stuff from your locker, from your FIAD locker, etc. But Wildcats, we're going to take our turns. In order to socially distance, I cannot invite everybody here at the same time. So we're going to spread people out on those 3 dates by alphabet. More details to follow on that. So keep watching announcements for more details. Regarding adding value, what does adding value actually mean? That's the beauty of it for me, because the opportunities are limitless. Wherever you go, when you look around, when you see something that isn't quite right, something you can make better, you can add value. Maybe you're a member of a team, and adding value might mean that you're going to recognize that your teammates are more important than you are. Maybe your job is to assist rather than take all the shots. If you see somebody that's sad, you can add value by adding joy and happiness. If you see somebody making a bad decision, you can talk them out of that bad decision, give them a better path. If you see somebody being disrespectful, you can stand up for what's right and add value by being respectful to the person that's disrespected and helping the person that's not respectful turn their manner around, turn their actions around. So our quote today comes from John C. Maxwell, and thank you to Melody Pakmara for sending me this quote. It's an actual color picture of John C. Maxwell. He's not ancient. He's only 73 years old. His books have been read, purchased over 20 million times, translated into 55 different languages. I've read a couple of his books. This one I just read last year, The 5 Levels of Leadership. Maxwell's a great author. Here's what he said. If you're not interested, Wildcats, in adding value to other people's lives by being helpful, it actually helps you by adding value. Here's what he says. Adding value to others is the surest way to add value to our own lives. It's one of the roads to happiness, Wildcats. So thank you to Melody Pakmara. Thank you also, Melody, for all of the goodies, the cookies and bars and such that you send our teachers during parent-teachers conferences. Delicious. So Wildcats, it's Friday. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you again on Monday. More details coming on the locker clean out and the turn in. Everybody have a fantastic weekend. Add value. Stay well. Stay safe. Take care, everyone.